dear students. Welcome Vedam Sword Open to all of you once again on this amazing platform that is Dynamic Chemistry Point. Okay, so as all of you know very well, we are resolving some PYQs, previous year questions, basically organic chemistry के, right? Okay, so without taking much more time, let's begin. So as you can see the screen, yes please, question belongs to proton NMR, right? This question belongs to proton NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance, that is organic spectroscopy. Okay, fine. So let's resolve. So first of all, what to do? Let me remind you, if you talk about the proton NMR system, that is PMR, proton NMR. So we can divide, yes please, proton NMR further into two categories. That is, first one is the saturated kind of protons, saturated, right, and unsaturated, right, unsaturated, as all of you know very well. Saturated range further we can divide into two parts, that is, yes please, next to electronegative element, next to electronegative elements such as the oxygen, right, electronegative elements such as the oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, is that okay? And another kind of, that is not next to oxygen, not next to electronegative element, right, electronegative element, is that okay? Good enough? Now, yes, if we talk about the next to electronegative element and not next to electronegative element, so range would be in between 0.9 to 2.5 or up to 3, or up to 3, it doesn't matter, 3.5 or 3, right, 3.5 तक भी जा सकता है, it doesn't matter, not next to oxygen. But if we talk about the next to oxygen, that is value would be in between 3.5 to 4.5 ppm, is that okay, right, 3.5 to 4.5 ppm, good enough. So this one is our saturated range. And if we talk about the unsaturated one, yes dear, if we talk about the unsaturated one, so once again, yes, alkenic range 4.5 to 6.5, that is known as alkenic range, and here is 6.5 to 8.5, that is aromatic range. Remember or not? Remember, this one is the aromatic range and this one is the alkenic range. So as the data given, yes please, this system is consisting alkenic range. There are two protons, HA and HB, that is alkenic protons. So you know very well according to our previous knowledge, right? We have to separate the electron charge density further by using yes please GOC, General Organic Chemistry, right? And effects such as the conjugation inductive effect, etc. Is that okay? Right? So as yes please, by the conjugation, this carbon now becomes electron deficient. Good enough? So this one is that is HB, now de-shielded proton. Am I correct? So HB de-shielded है as compared to the HA because this carbon is electron deficient. समझ आता है ना सबको? Right? De-shielding means that is electron deficient system, and shielding means that is electron rich kind of system. So we have to compare saturated versus saturated as yes please, or unsaturated versus unsaturated. So now beyond any doubt, beyond any question, if you talk about the del value of yes please HB, del value of HB kind of proton is greater than del value of yes my dear HA, right? Beyond any question, ये बात तो एकदम crystal clear है because HB electron deficient है. Is that okay? Right? Now let's compare the yes please D versus C. Good enough? So del HD, D that is the next to electronegative element. So you know very well, here is yes my dear oxygen bearing the positive charge and minus I effect, strong minus I है oxygen का. That's why this methyl now becomes electron deficient. Is that okay? Right? So this one is the electron deficient system, de-shielded system. Good enough? So del HD, value of chemical shift for yes please D kind of proton greater than as compared to the del value of HC. Is that okay? Right? So now let's resolve the problem. Okay, first of all, yes please look at it with an eagle eye. HB, so value of HB is greater than HA. तो जो भी value देता है doesn't matter, उससे हमारा कोई concern नहीं है, right? वो तो जो भी value देगा it's fine. Okay, good enough. So yes please, you can see here value of A यस प्लीज 6.8 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ बी दैट इज 5.7. अपोजिट हो रहा है, बी का वैल्यू ज्यादा होना चाहिए, तो ये ऑप्शन क्या हुआ? एलिमिनेट. करेक्ट. एज ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू प्रोसीड विद ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन. इज दैट ओके? राइट. यस प्लीज इन केस ऑफ यस प्लीज बी, सिमिलर केस है बी भी. राइट. ए का वैल्यू ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू द बी, तो ये ऑप्शन भी एलिमिनेट हुआ. नाउ लेट अस सी द सी एंड डी. तो सी एंड डी में क्या हो रहा है? यस बी का वैल्यू ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू द ए, तो ये दोनों गेम में है. नाउ लेट्स रिजॉल्व डी वर्सेस सी. अब डी का वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा एज कंपेयर टू द सी, तो चेक कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. डी का यहाँ पे 3.9 है और सी का 2.1 है. राइट. हियर इज बी का वैल्यू 6.8 है और ए का 5.7 है. सो बियॉन्ड एनी डाउट, बियॉन्ड एनी क्वेश्चन, और एग्जैक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. इज दैट ओके? Right. So thank you so much for your kind attention, and you know very well we are starting our new batches for CSIR JRF Net starting from 18th of June. So feel free, whatever you have in mind regarding the Net JRF, please feel free to share with us. Right. So contact with us on the given numbers. You can follow us on our social media platforms. Right. Thank you so much.